So that the ratio of the sum of first n terms of a GP to the sum of terms from n plus 1 to nth term is 1 upon r is to n. Okay. So here T1 is the first term here, T2 is the second term, T3 is the third term here, and so on. Then this is nth term here. Then plus n plus 1th term plus n plus 2th term here plus n plus 3th term and so on here up to nth term here, up to nth term. Okay, therefore here the ratio of first n terms means sum of first n terms means this one here. Next sum of n plus 1th term to nth term is this one here. It's a ratio. This divided by this gives 1 upon r into n. You have to prove it here. Okay, therefore take your solution. Sum of first n terms of a GP is equal to, you know the formula, a into 1 minus Rh to n divided by 1 minus Rh. This is the formula. Okay. Then sum of n plus 1 term to nth term here. Okay. So sum of n plus sum of terms from n plus 1 to nth term is equal to, okay, from first to last year sum of 2n, sum of 10. So s of 10 is from first to last year. Okay, minus then sum of these terms here, s of n. Okay, then we get sum of these terms here. Okay, here we want the sum of these terms. Therefore, take from beginning to end, s of 2n minus from first to nth term here. Then these sum minus of this sum gives the required sum here. Sum of the terms from n plus 1 to nth term is equal to s of 2n minus s of n. Okay, ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ n plus 1 to nth term, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸಮ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗಿದೆ s of 2n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ nth term ಸಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ sn ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನೆರಡು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಸಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, therefore s of 2n minus of s of n. Therefore this is equal to, here s of 2n here, so a into 1 minus of r raised to 2n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, minus of sn is a into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, s of 2n is this here, minus s of n is this here. Okay, then take your common factor here from these two terms here. From these two terms, a divided by 1 minus r common factor here. A upon 1 minus r is a common factor here. So 1 minus of r raised to 2n here. Right in the bracket here, minus 1 minus r raised to n. 1 minus of r raised to n. Okay, here a upon 1 minus r is the common factor. So right outside 1 minus r raised to 2n, then minus 1 minus r raised to n. Take a minus inside the bracket here. Therefore a divided by 1 minus r into bracket 1 minus of r raised to 2n here, minus of 1, minus into minus becomes a plus r raised to n. Then plus 1 and minus 1 cancels here. Plus 1 minus 1 it cancels. Then this is equal to A divided by 1 minus Rn. From these two terms, R is to n is the common factor. So R is to n is the common factor here. Then remaining term is 1. R is to n is common, so write 1 minus of this becomes R is to n. Okay, just observe here. R is to n is common here. So R is to n into 1 is R is to n. R is to n into minus R is to n gives R is to minus 2n here. Like this, R is to n into R is to n. Base are same here. R is to n plus n. N plus n becomes what here? R is to 2n. You get the same result here. Okay, taking this one inside here, you get the same result. Hence, R is to n is a common factor here. Then remaining is here 1 and here minus R is to n. Now take its ratio here. Therefore, sum of first n terms of a GP. Sum of first n terms of a GPN divided by sum of terms from n plus 1 to 2nth term is equal to, okay, sum of first n terms of a GP is this one here. Therefore, A into bracket 1 minus R is to n divided by 1 minus R divided by sum of terms from n plus 1 to 2nth term. This is equal to this here. Therefore, A into R is to n divided by 1 minus Rn. 1 minus R into 1 minus R is to n. 1 minus R is to n. Okay. Here A and this A cancels here. 1 minus R is to n, 1 minus R is to n cancels. 1 minus R, this 1 minus R get cancels here. Remaining is 1 upon R is to n. Therefore, this is equal to 1 divided by R is to n. Okay. Therefore, it's a ratio. This ratio is A cancel, G to time get cancels, 1 minus R cancels here, 1 upon R is to n here. So, this is our required result. Okay. This is the required result. Show that the ratio of the sum of first n terms, sum of the first n terms of a GP to the sum of the terms from n plus 1 to 2nth term is 1 upon R is to n. Okay. So friends, I am uploading the videos here. So from 1 to 8, 10th class syllabus here. From 9 onwards, 9th video onwards, PUC first year syllabus here. Okay. So just write all the problem and the theory and practice it here. Okay. Actually, it is in the chapter sequence and series. And in the coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. So 1 to 5. So 10th class syllabus here. And 5 onwards means 6 onwards PUC first year syllabus here. Okay. Yes. So this is the next example here. A, B, C and D are in a GP. Then show that in bracket A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square plus D square is equal to AB plus BC plus CD whole square. Okay. So they given A, B, C, D are in GP. Okay. So A, B, C and D R in GP. Okay, therefore here take here A is equal to AR. But take here A means the first term here. A is equal to first term. Then B is equal to AR. C is equal to AR square. And D is equal to AR cube here. AR cube. Okay, so AR square, AR cube. These are the four terms in GPR. Here A is the first term and R is the common ratio. Okay, take LHS here. First let LHS terms here. So LHS is equal to A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square plus D square is equal to here A square. So A is a capital A, so it becomes A square here. So write here A square, then a plus. Then B square becomes A square into R square. A square into R square plus C square is A square R into 4. A square R into 4 here. So write the terms in the bracket here. Again into bracket. Then B square. A square into R square. So A square into R square, then plus. Then C square. A square R into 4 here. A square R into 4 plus. Then D square. It's a square here. So A square. So R cube raised to 2 here. So therefore R raised to 6 here. R raised to 6. Then this is equal to, from this bracket here, A square R square common factor. A square into R square is the common factor here. Then write here 1 plus and A square R square is the common factor here. Therefore B square means R is to 4. It is R is to 4 here. B square means A square R square. Okay, so here B square is A square R square only, but here we take only A square is the common here, not R square common. A square is the common, then remaining here 1 plus R square plus R into 4. R into 4 here into. From this bracket we take A square R square common here. A square R square is a common, then remaining is here 1 plus here R square plus and here R into 4. R into 4. Okay. From these three terms, A square is a common here. So remaining is 1 R square plus R into 4. From these three terms, A square R square is a common factor. Therefore, write here 1 then R square plus R into 4 here. Therefore, this is equal to A square into A square becomes A raised to 4 here. A raised to 4 into this R square and these two same here, same. Therefore 1 plus R square plus R raised to 4, it's a square. Okay, so this is LHS here. Next take this RHS term here. So RHS is equal to AB plus BC plus CD. It's a square here. This is equal to, here A is a capital A, so write here A. B is a AR, so write here AR. Then plus B into C here, AR into AR square, AR into AR square here, then plus. Then CD, AR square into AR cube, AR square into AR cube here. AR cube. Therefore, this is equal to A into A becomes A square here. A square R. Then A square R cube here. A square R cube. So middle plus sign is there. Then plus A square 3 plus 2 becomes a 5. A square R raised to 5. Okay, 3 plus 2 becomes a 5. Then A square into R common factor here. And it's a square is there. So that is important. Yeah, square. Take here square. Okay, this is a square is there. Therefore, A square R is the common factor. Then remaining term is 1 here plus. Here remaining is a R square plus. And here the remaining is a R raised to 4 here. And it's a square here. Whole square. Therefore, whole square is there. Yes, A square raised to 2 becomes A raised to 4 here. Therefore, this equal to A raised to 4. Then R raised to 2. So, it is a R square here. And this term raised to 2 here. 1 plus R square plus R raised to 4. It's a square here. Just observe here. A raised to 4 is the R square. And these terms are same. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS here. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS here. So, this is how we call it result. So, insert two numbers between 3 and 81 so that the resulting sequence is a GPS. Okay. So, let 3, A, B and 81 are in GPS. Here these are the two numbers in between the 3 and 81 here. You find A and B values here. Okay. Therefore, this is the first term here. This is the first term. Therefore, A is equal to here. A is equal to 3 into R. Take equation number 1 here. And B is equal to 3R square. 3R square. Take this one as equation number 2. Then 81 is equal to 3R cube here. Therefore, and 81 is equal to 3 into R cube. Okay, because you know A square, A cube, these are the numbers in the GPR. Hence, this is the first term here. A value is a 3. A value is a 3 here. Then second number becomes a 3R. Then third number becomes a 3R square. Then fourth number becomes a 3R cube here. Therefore, this is the fourth number here. So 81 is equal to 3R cube. We can cancel here 3 ones or 3 27s are here. Therefore, 27 is equal to R cube here. 27 is equal to R cube. Therefore, 27 can be written as a 3 cube here. 3 cube is equal to R cube. Here exponents are same here. Therefore, equate the base. Therefore, R is equal to 3 here. So, the value of R is 3. Therefore, from 1 here, okay, from 1, A is equal to 3 into R. 3 into 3 is equal to 9 here. Then from 2 here, from 2, this B is equal to 3 into 3 square here. 3 into 3 square. Therefore, 3 into 3 square is 9. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. Therefore, required numbers are 9 and 27. Therefore, required numbers or 9 and 27. These are the equal numbers here. A value is 9, B value is 27. Therefore 9 and 27, these are numbers in between 3 and 81, so that 3, 9, 27, 81, they are in GPL.